How to unlike all photos on Instagram at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on your activity from this pop-up menu list, and then click on interactions, then click on likes. And here you will find all the photos and pictures that you have liked on your Instagram account. In order for you to unlike all of them at once, what you need to do is click on the select button at the top right of the screen, which is in blue, and then select all of them. And once you're done, click on the unlike button that's written in red at the bottom of the screen, and then this confirmation box will appear, which asks you, are you sure you want to unlike all of these posts? Click unlike to confirm. And there you have it. You just unliked everything and all the photos that you've liked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unlike all pictures at once on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.